Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video I want to share with you a life hack how you can improve your laser focusing. So these are our two focusing rings and a spacer between them. Now the entire width of this system is 4.7 millimeters, so it's almost 5 millimeters, but not yet. And now you can screw this regular 3-element lens inside the laser with 2 focusing rings and 1 spacer. Let's make it. Once we screw it, we need to make sure that it's screwed tightly, so there is no other way to make it better. It takes a little bit of time because we still have spring there. Okay, now yes, now it's working. So now it's tight, so I cannot screw anymore. And we set up the range of 8.5 millimeter from the laser, actually from the aluminum housing to surface. Now let's turn on the laser in Arduino mode, minimum power. Okay, now you see the spot. Let me focus it. Okay, you can see it right now. The spot is very tiny, and I have also a LiDAR. I want to make sure that it's accurate. Okay, I have a LiDAR. So it shows 8.5 millimeters from the aluminum part to surface. So all our new lasers will be equipped with new spacer, and in our business cards that we send we'll add a focal range from the aluminum housing to surface. So now when you get this spacer and 2 focusing rings, you'll know that if you screw them tightly, the focal range will be like 8 millimeters. We'll do additional measurements and we'll put on every single business card that we send an exact number. So that's what I wanted to show and share with you, that we made an improvement with laser beam focusing. So hope you guys will not have any problems with focusing in future, and hope that you like this video. Share it with your friends and have wonderful engraving with endurance. Bye bye.